Hi, it's Jaybird, and today I am going to be doing a motivational playlist for the beginning of school.
Bruh.
I start school in about like 2 days, I think. But by the time I upload this, I'll probably already be in school. But I don't think it'll be that bad, so I'm not like completely dreading going back, but I'm not too happy about it either. And I've noticed about like halfway through, I start to get very annoyed and stressed and stuff, like because finals are a thing and all that. And so I'm trying to keep my mental sanity. So yeah. So I'm going to design this playlist to kind of have motivational like songs on it and stuff that I really like. Some of these songs are new, some of them are old. It's just kind of a jumble of all motivational songs that motivate me anyway. And I'll probably be doing more parts to this, so if you want to see that, comment that below, or like the video, or share it, whatever. Just let me know if you want to see more videos like this. This entire playlist is going to be on Spotify. I will put it on here. I'm not sure if I'll get copyright striked. I don't know, so I'll only put like a couple seconds of each song. Also, YouTubers who do this, like who are the music gurus of the internet, please give me the tea on how you don't get copyright striked for stuff, because I've had a video where I've only used like 2 seconds of the song and I still get copyright striked. So please let me know how I can do that. And also, so that it's not just boring and watching me dancing, but I'm also going to be painting my nails because that's pretty therapeutic, I guess. So, yeah, I'm going to be doing this shade. It's like a nude shade. It's in the shade Sure Bet. Sure Bet. Bet. Let's get into the video. I'm going to start off with the best one because this song is my absolute favorite. I have been repeating this over and over again. So my phone just died, so I guess that means that it is the end of the video. I think I did about 25 to 30-ish songs, so that should be enough to start out the playlist. Let me know if you want to see a part 2 of this, or if you want to see more songs. Again, the Spotify will be somewhere around here. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. I have not done this style of video before, so let me know what you think. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Oh, don't forget to subscribe to see more content from me. You know you want to. Do it. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Bye!